Welcome to the Category 12B, the herbs that clear and transform phlegm heat. Before we start introducing the herbs, we would like to first give you some background of the clinical manifestation of phlegm heat. Phlegm can be caused by internal factors such as spleen or stomach dampness. Dampness in the middle jowl may arise due to thinking too much or bad diet and lack of exercise. On the other hand, phlegm can also be caused by external factors such as unresolved wind cold or wind heat attack. Generally, there are two types of phlegm that can accumulate in the lungs, which are cold phlegm or phlegm heat. In this video, we will be only focusing on phlegm heat herbs. The signs and symptoms of phlegm heat include yellow phlegm that is hard to spit up, sore throat, chest pain, thirst, yellow-red urine, and dry stools. Trambeel tastes sweet and bitter. It is slightly cold in nature and enters the lung and heart channels. The main functions of Trambeel include transforming and clearing phlegm heat with cough. It is also good for chest infections as it clears heat and dissipates nodules such as scrofula, sores, carbuncles, and lung abscess. But we must note that Trambeel is not suitable for problems related to cold phlegm or damp phlegm. Gua Lo tastes sweet and bitter. It is slightly cold in nature. Gualo enters the lung and heart channels. Its main therapeutic actions include clearing lung heat and transforms phlegm, which is the same as Trambeel as discussed earlier. However, in contrast to Trambeel, Gualo can also act on the lower jowl by having the function of moistening the intestines and then block obstruction of bowel movement. Cautiously, one must note that Gualo is contraindicated for those with diarrhea due to deficiency and weakness of the spleen and stomach, and it should not be combined with drugs of the aconitum complex. Gualo is the seed of Gualo. Its taste is sweet and slightly bitter. It is cold in nature and enters the lung, stomach, and large intestine channels. Gualo has three main functions. It transforms phlegm, and interestingly, this herb not only moistens the lungs but also moistens the intestines to unblock bowel movements. Therefore, it's a helpful herb for problems such as constipation. However, Gualo is contraindicated in those with a weak deficient spleen and either nausea or loose stools. Gua Lo P, the snake gourd pill. It is cold and sweet. It mainly enters lung and chest area. Gua Lo P can clear lung and transform phlegm heat, which is similar with other herbs like Trambeel or Gua Lo. But it has special function on expanding chest to facilitate the flow of qi. Notably, we should be cautious not to use Gua Lo P with aconitum.